Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Okay. All right. So today we are coming towards the end of the session. So we have mobile marketing session today. Mm,
Yes.
okay. All right. So first we will just go through some of the slides about mobile marketing, and then we will go towards the practical session. So in this session what we are going to see is about mobile marketing. What is mobile marketing? Why is mobile marketing important? Who uses mobile marketing? How mobile marketing evolved? And then future of mobile marketing, how does it look like? So first of all, talking about mobile marketing, what is mobile marketing? So it's a marketing that occurs over a mobile device targeted at mobile users. So everything that we do over a mobile device, so it can be anything, like we send a message or we send an SMS or we send some advertising over a mobile device, that all is considered as mobile marketing. It leverages the mobile device to communicate and engage with consumers at any point of customer life cycle and to drive brand value and demand for your products or services. So yes, we can use mobile devices to communicate and engage with users. So nowadays people are using smartphones, so it's very easy for us. There are various methods of communicating between users, by sending various advertisements so that they can engage with our products and services. And yes, we can drive our brand management with the help of mobile marketing. And plus it is universal and it takes many forms that applies to all kinds of businesses and marketers. So in this, say universal in the sense that we can use any type of marketing in mobile. So it can be through advertising. Most of all, say most of the time it is done through the ads that we are using, and say promotion of the mobile apps. So we can create mobile apps and we can promote our products and services. That's one of the best thing that is we are going to cover. Yeah, and why mobile marketing is important? So that is because mobile marketing unlocks powerful opportunities for marketers on a scale never seen before. So why on a scale never seen before? Because if we consider the usage of smartphones in today's date, then there are more number of smartphone users comparing to PC users. They are very less. So if we consider the fruit sellers or vegetable sellers, say on the road, say even they are using mobile phones to collect the digital payments. Say 5 to 10 years back we did not expect that even these people will collect digital payments, and today it is possible with the digital revolution in India. Everybody is using smartphones, but the fruit seller who is selling fruits on the road for collecting payments and checking his account and all those things, they might not be using a PC at their home, they might not have a PC at their home. Everything, their work is limited, so they can use smartphones for collecting payments and making payments. That's very easy for them. So that is the reason we can say that it is on a scale never seen before. So nowadays I myself don't know that when last did I use physical cash to transact. I really don't remember when was the last I used a physical note to buy something. Everything whatever I see wherever I go, say everything is digital payments. I did not go to ATM from very long time to withdraw cash. I mean that's not
Correct.
required as
Even
such.
even my son, he opened account Citibank. They said
Hmm.
first should be a check. So he didn't have check also. He didn't
Huh.
know where to sign.
Yeah. That's what check. My God, check is something. I don't know. Maybe more than 2 to 3 years back, I
Yeah.
might have used a check Today
Correct.
everywhere we are using digital payments only, instant
Digital
payments.
payment.
Check takes 2 days times or 3 days
Mm.
times, but digital payment is something instantly. I make the payment and the person receives the payment immediately. So that's and that also in front of each other the transaction is completed. So that's
Mm.
something very important that people are using, and with the help of mobile this payments and everything, digital payments, many things have become possible, and businesses have grown a lot with this. Now
Correct.
no requirement of changes. First of all, previously we had 2000
Mm.
rupees notes and 500 rupees notes. I mean, people did not change, but that all problems are solved with the help of
Mm.
digital payments. So yeah,
Correct.
like this we can reach a large amount of audience, and it can be personalized and in a real time. So these all things happens in a real time. So buying a movie ticket, or whether it's electricity bill or anything, I mean everything
Mm.
in our society also, like we have digital payments. Everybody makes the payment directly into the bank, and that also, say like I use Google Pay to make the payment. So everything, I mean
Correct.
our gas bill and everything is paid online. So like
Online.
that, yes, we are reaching a large number of audiences. And if we talk about why mobile marketing is important, then the import of mobile phones is more than the tablets and PC market. Tablets are, I mean, losing their identity nowadays. People are not using tablets because almost the size of the mobile phone is almost 6
Correct.
inches, 6.5
Mm.
inches, and tablets are 7 inches. So I mean there is no need of using a tablet. Every day people are using, and all the things that we are able to do in tablet is now available on a mobile phone. So there is no
Correct.
requirement for tablets. And PC users, of course, say that is very limited for the people who are working on
Mm.
a office, or maybe they are working from home, or say like us, we are using say online training. So for us, okay fine, we can use PC.
Mm.
But rather than that, say of course we use mobile phones for rest of the things. That is the reason mobile marketing is more important. And if we see, compare the numbers of the import, then it is quite high than the PC users worldwide.
Mm.
And if we talk about who uses mobile marketing, so of course, if even if we talk about ourselves, so everybody is using mobile phones, and say we are doing marketing directly or indirectly. We are doing mobile marketing every single day. So people, I have seen people are saying that I don't know mobile marketing, and I haven't used mobile marketing any time in my life. But then I tell them that what is the first thing that you do on your mobile phone. So then they say that okay fine, we check our messages, and we send some messages. So I said that when you send some messages that you like, you forward some messages on WhatsApp or anywhere, it means that you are indirectly promoting the content of the original creator. So if
Mm.
I get some image or I get some videos, I'll forward it to my friends and groups. So that is an indirect marketing of the person who has originally created that content. So that person's content is flowing on the internet. So that is marketing we are of course doing unknowingly maybe.
Annoying. Yeah.
So people do not know that okay, that is also a part of mobile marketing. And if we talk about the evolution of mobile marketing, then you must be knowing about the Nokia phones. Say 20 years back, we had a Nokia phone, and it had a game which was say like Snake game in the Nokia phone. That was the first ever game that was available on a mobile phone. First of all, when mobile phones were introduced at that time, say it was a huge, say, amusement for the people. Like, okay, now this phone we can talk over the phone, and it did not have wires. That was the most, say,
I am the first user in the country to use mobile phone
okay,
because my bank had financed Max Touch.
ha ha, Match Touch.
So they gave us 10 phones and 10 SIM cards free of cost.
Okay, ha ha.
So my number 98200555036
Hmm.
is a card given by Max Touch to me in 94, November
Okay.
94.
Wow, so that
But there,
was.
it was a long phone, Siemens with a long antenna.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even I have a phone. My first phone had a antenna. I still have that phone today, just because of the battery not available today. Say it's like a paperweight today. But yes, the old phones were using this antenna, so you can just pull out the antenna whenever you want to give
When
a
you put
call.
that battery, we can't use it because that was supporting only 2D actually.
Yes, yes.
2G.
Yeah, I
Now
mean,
2G technology is not there actually.
yeah, so I mean, those days, say, I mean, internet was not there, so those phones did not have the
Correct.
capabilities of doing some internet browsing internet or anything, or email or something. Even when I started to use the phone, we were able to only talk. I mean, we did not have the facility of sending SMS. My first phone was, say, in 98 end. So at that time I had bought a phone of Motorola. So that phone I was using, and the company which I got the SIM card was Cellforce in Gujarat. So
Hmm.
at that time I was using that, and the outgoing calls were so huge. I mean, 16
16 rupees
rupees.
40
Yes,
paisa.
yes,
16
16
rupees 40
rupees
paisa.
40 paisa during those times, and incoming calls also 8
Yes,
rupees.
both incoming
Yeah,
outgoing both that
incoming
time.
outgoing both we had to pay. So
Yes.
that was the huge cost. And today if we consider the same thing, I mean, we just laugh that at what amount did we pay during those times. And today people are fighting, each carrier is fighting that okay, we are providing the lowest
Hmm.
amount,
Correct. Correct.
179 rupees unlimited calls and 100
Correct.
SMS that we are getting, and plus 1.5 GB of internet every
Hmm.
month. So I
Correct.
mean, that is 20 years back. But after that, in 2001, BlackBerry was launched by Research in Motion. So that had the ability to say text, and
Correct.
of course send
Yes.
emails. So that was considered as a business phone. So we thought that
Correct.
okay, people who are using BlackBerry phones, they are big business people. I mean, that was the status at that time. BlackBerry phones costing
Correct.
40,000, 60,000
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
rupees.
They're very costly.
Very costly BlackBerry phones during those days.
Hmm.
And then of course after 2005, Windows Microsoft launched Windows mobile phones.
Nokia
uh,
phones.
yeah, they had say tied up with various companies. So what I was using, say, I still have that phone also. I did not sell any of my phones, but I just have the collection of my old phones from
Oh,
98 till recent purchased in few months back. I just purchased one 5G phone, so I have collection of all the phones. So yeah. But yes, Windows Phone also, that was the era when we got to see the stylus. That was the first time ever we were using stylus. It
Sony
had
Ericsson.
a touch
Sony
phone.
Ericsson.
Yeah, Sony Ericsson and many phones. I mean, we had that options. Even there was Palm OS was there. Various Palm OS, Palm CE, various
Hmm.
operating systems were there which were using say stylus. So it had the same functionality of start programs, whatever we saw in the PC, the same interface we saw in those devices also, where we had the start button, taskbar and all those things,
Hmm.
and we could use that. And then in 2007 the whole game changed when iPhone was launched, and which had the ability of using various kinds of apps. However, App Store was launched in 2008, 1 year after the iPhone was launched. So till 1 year we did not have any App Store to download any apps. But then after App Store was launched, I mean, people just got mad that okay, we can install apps and use it in our phones. So till date they were using PC to install softwares, and they were doing all those things. But for the first time, people were able to install app from the internet and use it in their device. So that was very much new at that time. And then of course the whole world changed in September 23, 2008, when Android phones were launched. So they were also launched on to in 2008. But originally Android was not developed by Google. It was developed by Android Incorporation, which Google bought in 2005. They worked on it for 2 years, and they released it in 2008. And if we talk about Play Store apps, then there are 3.5 million apps. So this is old figures. So today, just few days back, I was just checking. We have 7.3 million apps as of December 2022. 7.3 million apps. So we can
Hmm.
just imagine the number of apps available on Play Store, and Google sees approximately 8 billion installations per month across the world. So 8 billion installations. So we can just imagine the type of servers that Google might be using. And now recently, say they have launched Google Play Protect, which is protecting 2 billion devices, and probably the most widely used malware scanner in the world. So previously we did not have this
Correct.
facility. It directly downloaded the app, but now first it will scan the app, and then it will install in our devices. So that is the best part. And then if we talk about the future of mobile marketing, then say marketers think today that the rise of mobile has been meteoric, and in truth we haven't even seen the tip of the iceberg. So I mean the technologies that are coming up in mobile marketing, mobile thing, so it's like just the tip of the iceberg. Whatever we are seeing is just a little part of whatever has come. So if we see whatever facilities that we have today, I mean we can just think that if we consider this as the tip of iceberg, then what would be the whole iceberg when it will come out, when it will
Correct.
unveil the whole technology using the new things and applications that is going to come up in future. Say today we can see that we are using internet of things and physical objects embedded with sensors and connectivity. What all things we can do? I mean, we
Hmm.
can send the file transfer from one device to another device without internet connection. Say previously we were using share it, but now we have another Indian version after share it got banned in India. So sensors are there, connectivity is there. We can use mobile phones to control our smart homes. We can connect with electrical devices. We can use as a remote for a television. We can use it as a
Yes.
remote for our air conditioners. We are using nowadays, the automobile companies are giving apps to control their car from their
Correct.
smartphones. I mean, what not things we are seeing today. We have Bluetooth, we have Wi-Fi. In olden days, instead of Bluetooth, we were using infrared for
Infrared.
transferring of
Yeah.
files. I mean, the during those days, even I was using a Sony Ericsson phone. That was, I mean, it was just I think 2.5-inch screen phone. It was their normal phone, but it had infrared, and it had a camera also, VGA camera it had. And
Yeah.
the photos that we clicked were hardly the size of the stamp, but we did not have the facility to transfer it or
Correct.
say save it in our PC or upload it somewhere. That all facilities we did not have. But yes, I mean people wanted to share those photographs, so we had to keep two phones very near and transfer. And that 5 KB,
Hmm.
7 KB file used to take 15 20 seconds, 15 20 minutes to transfer. But still, I mean at that time people had that patience. Till today people do not have any patience, even if it is taking 5 minutes or 2 minutes to transfer the files or download a movie or anything. I mean people are losing patience. Array, internet is very slow, and this is that, and this is that. I mean
Yeah.
today having 100 Mbps connection, 1 Gbps connection, I mean we are having with the help of Geo. still people don't have patience. I mean, they cannot wait. But in olden days, yes, this was something new. So people were enjoying those technologies, spending 15-20 minutes to transfer one photograph of that, also of stamp size photograph. So I mean, we can imagine the new things that are going to come, and what mobile is going to offer new things to us in future. Now if we talk about the mobile devices, then we have seen different types of mobile devices, like early age phones, devices with some extra features, devices with internet and email. Then we have seen smartphones, tablets, phablets, e-readers with different shapes and sizes
Mm.
and hardware capabilities. Today if we see any phone worldwide, I mean, I just don't compare with few phones, but I compare worldwide, all the phones are same. It has a black
Correct.
screen, either it has
Correct.
a touch button or a smart say physical button over there on the screen, and that's it, nothing, three buttons on the
Yep.
home screen, that's it, and a black screen. But in olden days, when I myself was using the phones, I mean, they were so many different types of shape, sizes, and whatnot things that we were using. Say like if I just show you the phone, one of the phone which I was using, like say one was this Nokia 6670. So that was something very new. So this type of phone we were seeing in those
Yes.
days. Then there was Nokia communicator. So Nokia communicator series was also like very nice. I mean, it was like a
Mm.
small
Yeah.
laptop,
This one.
and outside there was a screen. So these all phones we have used in past, but today if we talk about any phone, it just everything is same. I mean, there is no difference except the configuration of the phone. So today we don't see the phone with the help of looks, but in those days we had the facility. Okay, like this phone is looking good, that phone is looking good, because at that time there was nothing called as configurations and memories and speed or Wi-Fi and all those features. We did not look for. We were just looking at the shape, size, and how does it look, what is the look and feel
Mm.
of the phone. So that was the thing that people were looking at. But today everything is same. I mean, nothing, no difference at all. So that was the thing that we were using. But today if you just go to the shop, I mean, okay, you will say that okay, fine, I want this phone, and it should have 5G, it should have this much memory, it should have this much RAM, this much
Mm.
ROM, and all those things. That's it, and you will get the phone. But again, the same thing, look and feel is same. So now if we talk about the mobile products and services which can be used over the on the mobile phones, then say out of this, some of them can be used only on mobile phones. So except email and proximity marketing, we can use say SMS can be used only from the phones, email of course from the PC, as well as mobile phones, online messenger like WhatsApp, various kinds of apps are there that we can use only on the devices. Then proximity marketing, that is Google ads, sorry, Google Maps. Google Maps we can see in the mobile phones, we use almost every time whenever we are traveling out of station. We use Google Maps to check the route and traffic and all those things. So now it also gives voice commands also, that okay, take right, take left, and all those things.
Mm.
So that all things, I mean, olden days we did not have all these facilities. So yes, these all things can be used on the mobile phones. And if we talk about the mobile advertising, then yes, mobile phone can contain ads. So there are different types of ads with which we can reach our customers, say like text ads, banner ads, display ads, overlay ads, full screen ads, video ads, animated gif ads. So say from Google ads and Facebook ads, we had done the ads wherein we could select any mobile apps, and we can give our advertisements on the app. So these all ads can appear over there in the mobile phones. And then what type of promotions that we can do. So we can do text promotions, we can do image promotions, we can do app promotions, then image app promotion ads, video app promotion ads, true view and app promotion. So that is a full screen ad that we can do. And nowadays we even have innovative advertising. So especially during the lockdown we had seen this option. Previously we had caller tunes, people were using caller tunes whenever people used to call, some song was playing. So I mean, of course today also people are using those things, that okay, I'm setting this caller tune, and when people will call me, this song will play. So that people are using, but that can be used as an advertising
Publicity,
also.
advertising.
So during lockdown we had seen there was a message from government about keeping social distancing and
Hmm.
sanitizing the hands and stay indoors, and maintain this much distance and all those things. Those kind of ads, whenever we gave a call to someone, that kind of message came up. So we also can do the same, but we need to this contact the carrier that we are using, and then we can do that. And of course there are certain agencies also who do this, so that you can do your ads. So whenever people will call you, your ad will be coming up. So that is one of the things. And then of course there are some of the ads which can be used in your phone, and they can be used, you can rent your mobile screen. So till date we had heard that we can rent home offices, nowadays we can rent furnitures, we can rent electronic items, we can rent air conditioners and furnitures, and everything can be rented. But have you heard about renting your mobile screen? I mean, no one
No.
even thinks that we can rent a mobile screen, and that also the screen which you never use. So, what kind of screen would be that? People might think that okay, there is some app that will be we'll be installing some app and it will rent the screen. No, it's not like that. We are renting out the lock screen of the device
Hmm.
which we do not use. So every time say we open our phones on the lock screen, there would be some advertisements. So when the phone is locked, at that time you will see some advertisements, you can read some articles, you can view some videos, but that is all built in within that application. And still your phone is locked, and then you unlock your phone, then you have access to it, and all those ads and articles whatever we had seen, that is gone. So the number of times you open your screen, unlock your screen, you get paid for it, and that amount can be used to recharge your phones and the D2H connections and all those things. So I've already been using that from a very quite long time, but now
Okay.
they have stopped in India. Now they said that okay, fine, we'll be using this only in US. So I've used Flick over there. They used to give some beautiful banners every day, so beautiful images of nature and different types of categories. And then Slidejoy had various games, and this various games were there, various images, videos and all the kind of thing, content sharing basically they were doing. And then Paytune was for the ads when people used to give a call. So whenever you get an incoming call, so it will replace your ringtone. So
Hmm.
if you get a call, then some ad might play. So it can be of ICICI Insurance, or say India Lens or India Bulls, those kind of ads it used to play. So you can just imagine the power of that advertisement. So that ad will be playing. So if you are traveling somewhere in a bus or a train, then it is not just us who are hearing that ad, everybody sitting besides us will also hear that ad. So how much reach that kind of ads would be effective. So that is this Paytunes was there in, I don't know why did they remove their app from Play Store. I met them at one of the digital marketing conference held at Bombay. So I keep on attending such events which are related to the latest technologies and digital marketing. So that was there, and I met those people over there. So these people are from Delhi. When they had initially launched this in 2017, at that time I had met them. So that I mean meet was conference was in Mumbai, in Zoo Novotel Hotel. So there it was there. So I met them over there. But I mean, they at that time the growth was good. They had some 60-70,000 downloads. But
Hmm.
now I don't know why they have removed it. It's really very good. It was a really very good app. So like this, there are various innovative advertisement also coming up nowadays. And then if we talk about the email programs, then say if we send an email, then 50% of the people will open our emails. But if we talk about SMS, then 96% of the messages are open within 4 minutes. Why is that? Because first of all, the SMS screen is SMS icon is there on the home screen, and the
Hmm.
number of people will send you the SMS, you will have a figure on that. Okay, 6 SMS you have received in a circle over the app on the top right hand side or left hand side corner. So it will say motivate people to click on it and see that who are these 6 SMSs that I have received. So like that, it opens within 4 minutes. And of course, mobile is a personal device, so earning an SMS subscription is difficult but rewarding. So now, since SMS people are opening within 4 minutes, people don't subscribe to SMS, because that is the worst thing that we are getting SMS, all spam SMS nowadays.
Hmm.
And there is no option to unsubscribe also, except you have the option to block those SMS. So that is the only
Correct.
option. But yes, if you get a SMS subscription, then it's really rewarding. We can use incentive and loyalty programs, and we can unlock the potential of mobile marketing. Say for example, nowadays any app which you are installing, you have an option to referral
Correct.
program is there. Say like Google Pay also is having a referral program. You send an invitation to someone to use Google Pay, and once they do their first transaction, initially they were paying 51 rupees for each referral for the first transaction. But now they are paying less. And but the only thing is that now you are getting something or the other for every transaction you do via Google Pay. Whenever you scan and pay, you get some cards, and you can just crash that card, and you get something, some loyalty programs, you get some discount coupons, you get vouchers, you get sometimes 3 4 rupees, 5 rupees cashback you get.
Hmm.
So like
Correct.
that,
Correct.
there are various things. So if we use something like that, then it's really very good for our campaigns that we can do. So we can drive people through that. And using these kind of things over a mobile device is a very good user experience, because if the ads are coming up on a PC, then it will be on the side or on the left or somewhere on the top bottom, which are not noticeable. But if it is coming up on the mobile device, then it is in the center of the screen, and it is an overlay ad, so your background will become dim, and say the ad will be coming up, popping up, and you will see something that okay, this is attracting people, and people interact and engage more over the mobile devices with all these programs that are coming up, which will create a direct impact on our programs. And we have demographic bidding, so we can capture the age and gender of the people. Previously we did not have this facility, but now we have that options also. And say like we had done Google ads and Facebook ad. Similarly, these websites are specially for mobile advertising. So of course these are very costly, and these are worldwide, like MKMobi, InMobi are there. So these all are very costly, but they will definitely give you results. Say like suppose I have a new app which is uploaded on Play Store, and I don't have any installations yet. So if I do marketing with this, so they are going to do our ad worldwide, or say our, depending on our target locations, and yes, we definitely get very good results. So for two of my friends, I had done this and it gave very good results in terms of installations. In just 1 week they got something around 37,000 installations. So that was a good option. So but of course it was even costly as well, so they had spent something around 40-50,000 for this campaigns. So yes, but it's fruitful. Whenever we are doing new, at that time of course it's new, and say people will engage in our apps. And once we have good installation, just by seeing the number of downloads, people will install. But if people see that okay, there are only 5-10 downloads, or 100 200 500 downloads, people might not be that much interested. But if we see something like okay, million people have downloaded, then there must be something in this app, so let us install. So that attracts. So that type of mobile advertising platforms are available. So even if you just search for mobile advertising platforms in Google, you will find many platforms available for doing advertising. And if we talk about the benefits of mobile advertisement, then yes, first of all, it's going to surely pay by leaps and bounds. And mobile market has grown to 2 billion globally. Businesses are thinking of leveraging this platform. Previously businesses were not using mobile marketing, they were doing other type of marketing, but then gradually they thought that okay, yes, now the users have increased using smartphones, so then they started, and now they are allocating a fixed budget for mobile marketing also. So yes, they are catering to wider markets, and it is a cost effective means of marketing using their company's products and services, and it's less expensive than other traditional means. So giving an ad in a newspaper, or say television, or a magazine, or outdoor billboards and all those things, that's very costly. I mean, say even I have tie-ups with some 27 airports, wherein you say right from the billboards to inside kiosk, and say moving standees, everything, including the ticket printing also. If you want your ad on the ticket printing, then also it is possible. But the only condition is that it's very costly, because you require minimum of 10,000 ticket printings, then only you can do. So there is minimum criteria for that. So when we calculate all those costs, then it is very costly. And say like in the flight, there are magazines in each and every seat. So in those magazines also, if you want your ads to come up, so even that's possible. So but that of course will be too high comparing to any other type of advertising we are doing through airports. So that all things of course we have. So comparing that, mobile marketing is very less expensive and cost effective. And yes, mobile ad creates an excitement, it increases sales, it will build customer database. Loyalty marketing will make sure that we can have customer retention, and we'll have more customer clicks on that. And particularly if we are doing some discounts and deals, then we can get some more engagement on this. So these are some of the benefits that we have. And people will pay more heat when ad which is promoted through a mobile device. Like I said, that it is going to come up in a very, since the screen of the mobile is very small, so it is being visible very, it's very much visible compared to the PC, where the ads are lying somewhere on the side, or on the top, or at the bottom. People will not notice it, but on the mobile screen people are going to notice it. So, and the best part is that people carry their mobile devices everywhere. So I mean, people will leave their kids at home, but they'll not forget to take their mobile phones with them. So we can understand how important a mobile devices is in our life today. And this is the only thing in the world which we keep within the reach of our hand. We don't keep it somewhere far. We always keep it within the reach of our end, because every time there is some beep or something, we get some notification, there is a beep sound, so people tend to open it. So I mean, normal people will open their devices approximately 250 to 300 times a day. I mean, if you want, you can try it tomorrow from the morning. I mean, people are using this. By afternoon, you will find that yes, the figures are accurate, and people whose businesses are completely on, say using mobile phones, they might be using more 800 to 900 times a day, because they might be checking emails, they might be checking messages, they might be communicating over the mobile devices, so they are using more than the normal people. So yes, that's the all benefits. And then if we talk about the strategies over here, so then there is a lot of things that we can do, that how, what is mobile marketing strategy and how to use it. So when we build any strategy, so we should find out few important things about our marketing plans, help to find what is important to our business, product branding, what is the goal, whether it is a product branding, just a current goal, or customer acquisition is our goal, or lead generation is a priority task. So maybe it's none of this, and you are just you just want to have a social media engagement and viral marketing. So which is what people are looking at today's date, so posting reels on Instagram every single day, that is what people are looking out. So most of the people are only after that only, just they want more people engaging and wanting their reels and videos to go viral. That's what people are looking at. So that is the strategies that we need to look at. And what are the things that we need to research for information. Market research related to your business is the first step. Here are some of the tips on what kind of research that we should be doing. So research how mobile marketing is done into your industry. You can join online forums or partner with someone. You can gather data relevant to your products and services, such as case studies, research analysis reports, white papers, and do a comparative analysis by surfing their website, press releases, online campaigns. So these are the things that we need to take care when we are planning for our marketing strategies. We can identify the target audiences, then develop successful marketing campaigns, make a detailed list of potential customers. So in today's date, when we are you're doing advertising through Google Ads, over there we are selecting our targeted audience and targeted locations. So that is what we mean by potential customers. And then maybe we can conduct some online surveys, emails of customers to understand what questions they have. So that all things we can do with Google Analytics, that what links they are clicking, what images they are clicking, what type of emails they respond the most, what type of content they engage the most. That all things we can get to know with the help of Google Analytics implementation. And then create customer personas by visualizing specific attributes such as their age, profession, tasks. So that all we do in the demographics and interest section when we choose our custom audiences from Google Ads or Facebook ads. And then yes, we can define the value of your offerings. One of the most important significant steps before designing a mobile campaign, we should be ready with see the how it is beneficial to your customers, what are the additional benefits. Because see, whatever things we want to promote, is there anything which is very new which no one else is doing? I mean, I cannot think of any product or services which I want to promote or give it to people. Even if I say that okay, I am providing some I have a unique concept, but it might be similar to something what people are already providing, then why people
Correct.
will use our content, our app? There has to be some benefit. How is it beneficial to our customers? That is more important. What are the extra benefits that we are providing to them? That is important. and if we are providing anything, whether it is going to fulfill their needs or not, whether it is within their budget or not, what is our unique selling proposition, that all things we need to take care of. I mean,
Correct,
like a
correct.
salesman, if we go to any showroom, say to buy a car, that person will just keep on explaining the benefits of the product. That is not important. How is it going to help me? Why should I buy that car and not this car? So that is what we need to be different at. We should not talk about the product, we should talk about how it is going to help the other people by utilizing our products and services. That is more important, then people will buy. But if I just keep on talking about the product, no one is interested to listen to the importance of that product. However, that person might want to buy that product, but that might
Mm.
not be his actual goal, just to buy a product. But whether that product is going to help me or not, that is more important. Whether it is going to fulfill my need, whether it is within my budget or not, that all things we need to take care of. Then if we talk about the SMS campaign, so yes, I mean, SMS people nowadays, we do not talk more about the SMS campaigns because people are not interested in SMS campaigns. First of all, we are getting a lot of spam SMS every single day, so that is one of the biggest problem that we are facing. But yes, we can have a maximum of 160 characters we can send out to customers, because SMS does not have more characters. But yes, nowadays SMS can also contain images and videos and MMS, and all those things can be done. So that is a good feature. Previously links were not able, we were not able to copy the links, but now I can directly hit the link and go to a particular page. So yes, that all changes have come up in SMS. So again, it's more interesting. But promoting a thing with SMS nowadays is being replaced by WhatsApp messaging. People are using WhatsApp more for sending their promotion, because they can attach big content which cannot be attached in a SMS, because that goes through a carrier and this goes through a internet. So that is the biggest difference over here. So text messaging, of course, it can be easier, but it is one of the costliest mode of advertising. If I want to send 1 lakh SMS, then it will cost me approximately 21,000 plus GST. So because the cost of one SMS is 21 paisa.
Right.
So depending on the type of SMS, if I'm sending a promotional SMS, then it is around 18 to 21 paisa, and if I want to send a transactional SMS, it might be a little less. But yes, we can use that also, because transactional SMS is used by banks and those type of organizations, whether you have activated your DND or not, but still you get banking SMS. So such kind of messages from government bodies and institutions, you will get those SMS even if we have applied for DND. So that all are that all comes into transactional SMS. Promotional SMS is still, I mean, 21 paisa, people are using it. So yes, and there are ready-made platforms that we have. So like in email marketing, we had seen that okay, I can go to some of the website and choose the platform to send 1 lakh emails. So same platform I can send SMS also, the one which we had seen, Send in Blue. So it had an option
Mm.
for sending SMS also. So over there I can just I mean, over there are no templates. I mean, it's just 160 character message I need to type and upload the file of all the numbers, and that's it. I mean, I can send SMS to those people. So that is one of the thing. But still we need to create a user flow diagram wherein it is created either with Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. So it documents the entire interactions of the user. So unlike WhatsApp marketing, there is no say CRM that we have for SMS. But if in WhatsApp, yes, there are various panels which are coming up nowadays, with which we have a lot of things that we can do, and some automation can also be done. But in SMS, we don't have all those things. We just create a campaign and we send it to people. That is the thing. But most of the time, people block our messages, and they don't want. But at least in WhatsApp we get to know that if a person is blocking us, or that all things we get to know. In SMS, we just get notification that okay, this many bounce rate happened and this many people blocked us. So that all things we get to know, but who blocked us we do not get to know. It will automatically remove the number from the list that we are sending. So that is the most important. And people are just sending the SMS, in spite of blocking them, they we keep on getting their messages because they are using different numbers. Recently,
Correct.
before 6 months, government say they have implemented a new system. Of course, that system is very old, but now it has become mandatory. If I want to do messaging, I want to use I want to send SMS for promotion, then I need to use a short code, or I need to have and sender ID. So it is like we get messages from bank that LM
Okay.
HDFC, LM ICICI, or VM, some bank name, something like that. So those are called as sender ID. Or else you have a short code, say like Star Plus is having that number, five, some 6575757, something like that. So it's
Correct.
some 5 6 digit number. So like that, they are called as short codes. So we need to have those things for sending. But now this try has implemented that you have to submit your template, that what messages are you going to send. So I cannot send every day, I cannot send different types of messages with the help of sender ID. I cannot do that. If I am putting up a template that this is the format of the template which is going to go to the people, then I cannot make a change even of a single full stop also. So with that, those people are not able to do. Previously it was allowed. I mean, before a year back people were doing all these things. I can create unlimited sender IDs, and I could have sent messages to everyone. But now it is not possible. Government have implemented, just because we were getting so many spam SMS every single day, government implement that. But I mean, we know in India, if there is a rule has to be broken. So, and there are
Correct.
various methods with which we can do that.
Yes.
So people started to do this with the phone numbers. And that phone numbers, they were using virtual phone numbers. So like in olden days, people were using say EPBX in the office with one line. They had multiple this units, multiple nodes, where every node had a different extensions, and we could make a call. So over here also they have a IVR system with single number and multiple virtual numbers, and they used to give a call. And now by chance, if you give a call to that number, then it will tell you that this number does not exist, please check the
Correct.
number
Yes.
before dialing. So that is what these people are doing nowadays. So they get to know that okay, which are the numbers which do not exist. So there are softwares available to find that the numbers which have expired, and people who are not using those numbers, so they use those numbers. So that all things are available nowadays on the internet. You don't even need to go to buy numbers from say this carriers. Say like, I don't need to go to Vodafone or Idea or any other
They'll
carrier.
send it home.
Yeah, you just go to internet and you just buy the virtual numbers that are available for a particular country. So for India there are thousands of numbers available, and they are very cheap, and I can send
Correct.
multiple messages and all those things. I can even make a call. So all those things, nowadays people are sending voice messages also as an advertisement. So whenever I pick up a phone, there is some ad going on. So that all things are happening. So that is all not allowed actually. And we need to, whenever we are sending SMS, we need to take care of very important things like opt-in marketing program. So if I want to send a message to potential subscribers, I need to create an opt-in marketing program. So when I was using this program, it was done very officially and ethically, like if the whenever a first message is going to a customer, it will send automatically a second SMS. So it that first time it will go, two SMS will go automatically. I will be sending only one, the second the system will be sending. So in that second SMS it will be mentioned that if you no longer wish to keep getting this SMS, then you can unsubscribe by clicking over here or by sending stop to this number. So then automatically that person will get unsubscribed from my system and that number will be removed from the list. So that all things we need to take care of, but people are not using all these things. I have never seen, so only till date I have seen very few people. I mean
Oh,
that also in 1 million maybe 2 to 3 people might have sent those kind of numbers. That is the very less thing. People are not using this thing ethically. That is the problem. Otherwise everybody will get subscription. People would really happily engaged and subscribe to the SMS subscription, like emails and other subscriptions. Then say we can use SMS campaigns because it's very popular. You can send SMS worldwide and it's in real time, and you can I mean you can scale the business from very small to a large campaigns. You can scale it, and say most of the businesses are using this, like Pizza Hut, Walnut, and everything
correct.
is practicing this SMS campaigns, and to increase their businesses. People are using this worldwide. And the next important thing is incentive and loyalty programs. So that also we can implement. So say suppose I want to create a mobile app. So why will first of all people use my app when there are millions of apps available on Play Store? Why will people use my apps? So there should be something different. So maybe I can implement some incentive and loyalty programs, and I can get people to engage. So years back, if we talk about various stores, physical stores, say Apna Bazaar in Vashi, Apna Bazaar was there in sector 17 near Vashi Plaza. It was a huge building, and
Yeah.
over there two floors were there, and we literally got a passbook from Apna Bazaar, where after the shopping we just go to a counter, show the bill, and they will affix some stamps in the passbook. And
Correct, correct.
during festival seasons we could just purchase anything of that value, and we can just show that passbook, and we can get all the items free of cost. So that was a huge success, but then there were various problems in Apna Bazaar, and then it was taken away, and then now there
Correct.
are very small things, small shop kind of Apna Bazaars available everywhere. But during those times it was really very good. Even
Yes.
Big Bazaar was also having vouchers. You There were some ads also, various ads were also there in television, that people were carrying anything like tires and everything and running to Big Bazaar, and they were getting vouchers. But that also failed because I could use only 1000 rupees voucher against the purchase of some amount. So like if I'm purchasing 10,000 rupees, then only I can use 1000. So I mean it was actually useless. So those vouchers did not work and it shut down. So that all things went, and Big Bazaar was a failure. But Apna Bazaar was a great success during those times, and like that now we talk about online. So almost every second app is having a referral program, incentives and loyalty programs that we can use. And if we think that okay, how should I create a loyalty program, I don't need to do any programming. There are various websites available over here. I can just use this link, and I can just click on this, and there are so many websites. They provide loyalty programs for loyalty and reward apps for small businesses. You can go to any apps, any website over here, and we can create our programs, so loyalty programs which we can integrate in our app. So I don't need to code anything, so it is just like a plugin that we are using in WordPress. I want to use SEO, so okay, fine, I will go to install plugins and I will install Yoast SEO and it will get installed into my WordPress website. I want to install a theme, I'll just go to themes and I will install a new theme and I will download and activate it. So the same way over here, these are the website, I can just go to these websites and see what type of programs I want to create, and then I just integrate it in my app, and we are ready to go. So and these all things can be done in just 5 to 10 minutes. Of course, depends on what type of update we want, what type of programs we want to integrate. So they have a lot of things. So here there are various websites available, say like this is Belly, then Spring Rewards, then this Pengo, then 5 stars, Open Table. There are many of them. So, okay, so some of them might not be working. So Spengo is working. So better loyalty program for your in-store, mobile and online stores. So like this, there are various options. So I can use it on my website, I can use it in my store, I can use it on my website, wherever I want I can use it. And I can just create it, and we can start running in just 5 to 10 minutes, and it's done. So there are various options available over here. So like this, we can just see what are the options available. Marketing made easy, bring your customers into the store with powerful marketing programs. So see what we can do for you. So I mean, they might have various loyalty programs over here, how it is working, what are the pricing, what are their products available. So loyalty and retention, marketing automation, payments, customer acquisition, promotions. So like this, there are various platforms. So this is of course Open Table, something different. So like this, we can have our own referral programs also that we can use in our apps. And then of course, mobile marketing and social media, people are using social media every day on the mobile phone, so which plays a vital role in today's day. uh, Say we are doing chatting, tweeting, commenting. Instagram, after Instagram, people are more interested to create reels and stories and everything. There are apps for routine exercises also. I mean, there are apps which are paying us for walking. Say that one of the app I'm using is Sweatcoin. So the number of steps we walk in, we get rewarded for that, and then you can utilize those points, you can convert it, and you
Yes.
can get some vouchers and some cashbacks available. So I mean, yeah, what are the things, I mean, see, lots of things are happening with the rise of mobile. So this is all the type of marketing. So we want to advertise our products. So in those sweat coins, there are various products available for which people can shop against their points, and the benefits are getting to the people who have tied up with Sweatcoin. So we can also tie up with those kind of things. So most important thing is the mobile app. Having a mobile app is most important. So it is said that if you have a mobile app, you don't require a website, because 90% of the people are checking the websites over the mobile phones only. That is the reason, say, people have shifted to responsive websites. Olden days, the websites which we were seeing on a desktop, those websites we could see on a mobile device, but they were not responsive in the sense they were not able to fit on the screen. So I had to scroll left and right, and vertical also I had to scroll. So that was not good. So they are not responding going outside the screen. But now that all things have changed, and people are using this a lot for doing social media marketing also. How we can have a catchy headlines, images, punchlines, pictures and videos, engaging social media with our mobile app. So that is what we can do, and we can see research that nearly 71% users access social media on the mobile devices. So yes, I mean, there are apps which are available specially on mobile phones. People can use it on mobile phones. Even previously Instagram was available only on the mobile phone, it was not accessible through desktop, but now it is available through desktop, and we can access and we can use all the features from our desktop. So those all things can be done. So yes, still there are many things which can be done only through mobile phones, some of the apps. So here the benefits of using social media marketing: so larger customer base, we can convince people, we can have intimacy, personal touch to the people, wider reach, so wider and remote reach, higher extent of exposure. So various benefits that we have over here. We can get a quick response, well defined strategy, so that can be very well strategies via social media, and large targeted customers can reach to demographic data. So depending on what target location and targeted people that we are looking at, so that can be done, and it can be done in real time. So various benefits available. So these are mobile app marketing strategies. So now if we talk about the difference, what is mobile app, so and what is the difference between a mobile app and a website. So the only difference is that mobile app runs on the mobile devices, and the website runs in a browser. So that is the only difference, rest everything is same. So if you have a mobile website, if you have a website, just make it responsive, so that we don't have to create a separate mobile website. In olden days, we could see that people were specially creating a mobile website, because during those days we did not have responsive themes. But today if we are using WordPress, then 99% themes are responsive, so you don't need to create a separate mobile website. So in olden days, there was extensions like m.website.com, so you need to have that mobile website, so people can get to know that okay, this is mobile website. In today's date also, some of the websites are having those kind of websites, which are mobile websites created specially for mobile devices. So it will have an extension, so the URL will be starting with m, so m
M.
dot and your website name.com. So like that, there are still websites available. So that is the difference. So we need to take care of certain points when we are designing our mobile strategies. So we need to design our app for multiple devices and platforms. So yes, we should make sure. So I mean, it doesn't mean that if I'm creating an app, it will work on all the devices. No, it will not work. When we actually go and upload it on Play Store, we will get to know that okay, your app is going to work on 5,000 devices or 10,000 devices. These all devices are supported, so we will get the list of the device models when we upload the app on Play Store. So only at that time we get to know. But of course the developer will know that okay, if I implement these all changes, it will work on all the devices. So that is the things that we need to take care of. And then of course, different ways to market your mobile applications and benefit of mobile app. So yes, we are going to see how to create a mobile app in this. So there are a lot of things why we need to have a mobile app, and how can we create a mobile app for our business. So people might think that okay, I need to catch a mobile developer, and then he'll make an app, and but of course that would be a very costly affair. But if I want to create a mobile app myself without any programming knowledge, it's very easy. You can just search for create Android app online, that's it, and then you will get various websites which you can use. So we can see this Andromo is there, and app maker, then app hive is there, app geezer is there. So I am using app geezer, so all my apps are in app geezer, so I am using that from past 5 years. App yourself is there, builder AI is there, but not all of them are free. So I mean, you can just check out iBuild app was free previously, but now it is 100% paid. Previously they had free option, I mean. So here we can see, so the first thing is what we need to do, say every website is allowing us to create an Android or iOS app, but the most important thing is the pricing. We need to calculate the pricing, that what would be the pricing, whether it is one time costing or a subscription cost. So 99.99% people are having subscription cost. So over here you can see monthly and annual. So $21 per month we need to pay. In that we can create 300 projects and you get 10 GB storage, some free photo stock, and Amazon, Google and all those things are involved, and we get white labeled branding in our own name, so that can be done. But if I consider this $21 or $36 per month, so let us see how much it is. So $21 into, say, approximately 81 rupees.
1800 rupees
Yeah. So 1700 rupees approximately. This is for 1 month,
per month.
and then I calculated for 12 months. It is 20,400. So it is not something that I'll be using a mobile app only for 1 year. If I'm running my business, then definitely I will be having my website and mobile app throughout the time, till the time I retire or I plan to use it. So maybe 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, till the time I feel that okay, now I'm going to retire. So let's calculate on an average 10 years. So for 10 years the costing would be around 2 lakhs, 2 lakh 4,000. So why should I spend 2 lakh rupees over here to use this? Because if I hire a developer or I give outsource to create a Android app to a developer or a company, then that person will create a mobile app for me in just maybe around 25 to 30,000, depending on what type of app we
Hmm.
want. So recently I had outsourced to one app over here. So that app costed me something around 70,000. It was for a client. So I paid that 70,000, and now that app is of that client forever. So now if there are, now the thing that we need to do is, if once in a year there is some updates that we do. So maybe OS has upgraded, or maybe some installation of some APIs that we are using over there. So like plugins, and in WordPress we need to keep on updating our plugins and themes and all those things. So like that there are various codes that we need to keep on updating, but it is not necessary that we do it every month. We can do it once in a year. So for doing that they might charge approximately 2,000 to 3,000 a year. So still that is fine. Say 2,000 a year is nothing. I mean, we are
Yeah.
using various things. Say I'm using a car, so everybody, that is say costing us petrol and maintenance and everything. So we are paying for it. So over here also for our business we are spending 2,000 rupees, and say okay, one time I paid 50,000 for creating an app. So 50,000 is say I can use it for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, whatever time I want. But over here say 2 lakhs for 10 years. So what if a person is just starting business, he is in his early stage of his career. So for him it might be say maybe 25 to 30 years, or say 40 years in business or 50 years in business. So for 50 years we can just calculate the amount that we would be paying for this. So that's too costly. So having, creating any app which is paid in any website would
Hmm.
be, say,
Cost.
I mean, waste of time and money. because what happens is that of course for just for creating that, okay fine, if the cost is very less and you say that okay I don't want to spend so much on the developer for all those things, but I'll just create on my own over here and it is just costing me a little amount, then it is okay. But over here you can see still it is 699 rupees over here. This is in Indian rupees, so it is 699 per app per month, 999 rupees per app per month. So but still I mean on in long run it is still costly over here. Anyone over here say this is absolutely, I think previously yes this was free, but now it is paid. There are many of them I have seen. See over here they have free option also, free forever. So this is free forever. In that what do we get? We get storage development, cloud storage of 50 MB. So 50 MB, what I mean, if I calculate a cost or say the size of the app, it is approximately 300 to 500 MB one app, and the installation file would be approximately maybe 10 MB to 30 MB depending on the size of the app. So this is 50 MB over here. So still I mean we don't have much things to do over here. And webhook queries only 100 monthly, so 100 only hooks are available. So if any action is being taken on the app where people are downloading and installing and then they are using the app, so only 100 queries a month can be done. So not even 5 to 10 people will be able to use that app for a month, and then it will say that the resources are exhausted. So then what is the use of this app? So it is of no use. So like this there are various websites over here which are people are providing. See this pricing over here, what are the pricings over here. Do it yourself, 14 days free trial, 2000 campaign users, so maximum 2000 campaign users can be done. So quarterly they have, and yearly they have. What is the price? 49 euros, my god. So this is again too high, so cannot think of this. This is builder.ai. So over here also they have pricing 5000 into 24 months, from 5000 rupees into 24 months. That is what they are charging, pay per feature and pay per feature. So if I have to have 10 features, so that would be costly again. So still, and this app of course it's creating the app over here would be very easy because it is just drag and drop, and you can create whatever type of app you want. So it's still very easy. Over here also they have pricing, so $19 per month onwards. So WordPress 2 app, so WordPress 2, creating an app from WordPress is free of cost and we can do it in 2 minutes. So why should I pay $19 per month onwards? So it's zero. WooCommerce 2 app, this is also free of cost, but over here they are charging $19. So we'll see how we can do that. So any app which we want to create from a website is absolutely free, that we'll just see. And then over here, okay, this is access denied, you do not have access to builderapp.com, I don't know why. Okay, so this is from the cloud, so the cloud is down. No problem, so that's fine. So we'll just go to this website which I am using. This is absolutely free of cost. You can create any number of apps, and over here they support you. Instead of charging for the apps and giving other people are giving limitations on anything, over here they are encouraging to use all the features in the app and create as many apps you want. More number of apps you create, they are even paying us to create apps. So you can just imagine they are providing some contest also, regular regular contest is also they are holding various contests. Get real Telegram members for your channel. Okay, so this is like that. So fine. This is the website, free and simple tool to create, download, distribute and monetize. So over here this option is there. No other website is providing monetization option. If you want to use monetization option, then they are charging a lot of money for using those features, when this website is providing absolutely free of cost. So if I create it, I can even upload it to my Play Store and I can use it. Other people, even if they are giving free, I cannot commercially use it by uploading on Play Store, because if I want to upload on a Play Store, then I need to have a file which is a signed file with a key store. So other people are giving only debug file. So debug file is only used for testing purposes, not for commercial use. So over here you can see, create your own app empire and make up to $6,000 monthly passive income. So over here this is what they are offering. We can have we make more number of apps, we make more money over here. So that is what they are doing over here, and this is absolutely free forever. No monthly charges, no fees, no paid features. So in this app there is nothing wherein you can upgrade yourself, wherein they'll say that okay, this feature is charged. No, it is not like that. Everything is free over here. So now just let me log in over here, and I'm using Google to sign in, so that's easy. Okay, now I'm logged in, and over here you can see these are the number of apps that I have created over here. So of course most of them are used for training purpose, and some of them are also there in Play Store. So these are the number of apps. So of course I have deleted many of them because it was very difficult to find some of the apps. So I have deleted more than 40-50 apps from here. So that many apps I had. So now I want to create an app. So it's very easy. I can just click over here, and over here there are three options. So first one is popular. So I can create my own VPN premium app over here that I can use. I can create a app from a business website. I can create an e-commerce app from my store also. I can create a video call or a chat also, then messenger with video calls, then wallpaper app I can do, then some word search. So this is some quiz or a game type of app I want to use. So educational word search puzzle. Okay, so this is a puzzle app that I can create. Then if I talk about business, then say business website, e-commerce website, I can add your business location on the map. So you can have your own app, and this is what you can do. So add your business location on a map. So this type of app also we can use. I can convert my YouTube channel into an app. I can convert my Facebook page into an app. I can create pages. I can create an app with pages from any text. So it's like building a website. In olden days we were creating with HTML. So this is the type of app wherein I can just keep on adding pages, and I can use it. So in WordPress also we are doing the same thing. We are adding as many pages or posts that we want, and we can create a website. So over here also it's doing the same thing. I can create as many apps that I want, add as many pages I want, and I can create an app, so like a website. Then if I want to do my own coding, HTML coding, and create an app, then even that is possible. I can do. I can use RSS. So I just use the RSS. If this is specially used if I want to create a news website and I don't have my own news. So all news websites provide RSS feed. So I just copy that code, and I add it in the website. So whenever they change news, every second, every minute, whenever it changes on their website, it automatically changes in my website also. So people will get to see that okay, this is the news website. So that also we can use. And then PDF tab, so I had used this during the time of lockdown. So after vaccination, say in lockdown, wherever we went, whether in the mall or say movie or anywhere, they were asking the vaccination certificate. So I had created an app for myself, my wife's and my son's app. So every time searching for that certificate from the mobile, it was very difficult. So I created an app with the 3 PDF file in one. So everybody's this file is there. So if someone's mobile battery is down, so other phone is on, so say just open that app and show all the 3 certificates from one device. So that is was very useful during those times. So this type of app. And even if you have a lot of PDF files which you want to carry with you all the time, and searching for a particular file would be a bit difficult. So we can just arrange them with a category or the name. So say like you just create one category and add all the PDF file into that, then create second category and then add all the PDF into that. So it can be like even learning something, you want to install various PDF files, it would be a good option. And you don't need to carry all those PDF in your phone also. So that's very easy. So like that also we can use this PDF tab over here, this app we can create. And we are also having, say we can create the app which is say over here messenger. So this is using the Telegram API. So what this does is it will just use the whole Telegram programming, and only the name and icon of the app will be changing. So I can use any of the name that I want, and any icon that I want to set. So like Telegram is having that blue color icon and WhatsApp is having that green color icon. So similarly in Telegram I can create that app, and the I can log in with the same Telegram username and password in my app. So it's the same thing, because it's converting, it's using the same Telegram, and all the people who are there in my list, they all will remain the same even if I'm logging with my app also. So like that also I can do. And this is really very good, and they are promoting a lot for this. See, real Telegram members, and over here this is some sales and all those things. So if I want to do some promotions over here through this website, then that also I can do. So now say suppose over here I can create a media player, messenger with video calls and all these things I can do. So let me just see. Okay, this is browser. I if I want to create my own browser, I can create my own browser. So I've already done that over here. And say yeah, various other apps I can create exam and test, all these things. So this is into development right now. I'm creating an app, so that after completion of the course I can just tell all the students to just use this app for digital marketing course, and they can answer all the MCQ questions. And after that they can just send me a screenshot, and I can get to know that okay, how much they have answered correctly, and then we can have a refresher session and all those things, and they can work more on that module. So this is I'm just creating this over here. So I'm just the most important thing is creating of question and answers, so that only takes time. So yes, now I'm doing that. So once that is ready, I'll share it with you. Browser I have already created. So today let's create something. So the easiest thing, say like you already have a website, so you want to have your own business app for your website. So what I'll do is we'll start with that. So I'll just click on this business website. I click convert your business website to an Android app. So now I need to provide a URL of the website. So what I'll do is I'll convert my blog website to this. So my main website is under construction, so and then I'll say get content. Okay, so this is done. So after that, if I want to add some features like WhatsApp number and my Facebook URL, YouTube URL, all these things, if I want to add, then that also things I can add in that. So here say I want to add some blogger or Tumblr or anything else, I want to add this, I can also add that. So say suppose I want to add my WhatsApp number, so I'll add WhatsApp, and it will ask me to enter the WhatsApp number, so I'll add it. And over here welcome message, so automatically include this text when a user clicks on your button, so that we can do. So like this we can just put some message over here, we can draft some message and we can use, and then there is some color combination that we want to use for button color and background color, that all things we can use, and button text that we can use. So like this we have various options. So we have added WhatsApp number, I can even add Facebook also. So this is the Facebook URL is already there. So like that I can even add YouTube or Twitter or any other thing, I can even add a map. So but for the map I need to copy the HTML button, so I can embed the map. So let me go to Google and I can search for I'll search for my name, and automatically it will come up digital marketing trainer over here, and then I want to share this, and I will embed the map. So this is the HTML code that I want, so I'll copy this HTML over here, and I need to paste that over here, so it will come up. So my map location will also come up, and then this is the type of menu. So I can use the slider menu because this will save the space. If I put the menu on the top or at the bottom, then it will utilize this much screen permanently on the screen, which I can use it for the advertisement. I can put some ads over here and generate some revenue for my app. So I can use slider, that is the best option. And then action bar, that is no, okay. And then I can use the color combination also for the app, that all options are also there. I hope for WhatsApp it is WhatsApp I've already used. Okay, okay, and okay, so this all is done. So after that I click on next, and now it is putting some settings. And then app monetization, ads and in-app ads, or only ads or no monetization. So I'll say that okay, I want to use ads and in-app purchases. So in-app purchases is for I want to use Google's payment method for if I'm selling something in my app, that I want to use. So right now I'm not using this purchase because in the blogs there is nothing to purchase, so ads only. So I click on next, and what is the name that you want to provide? So I'll say digital marketing blogs. This will be the name of the blog app. And then I'll click on next, and then I want to have my app icon. So whenever we install the apps, there are all the icons on the device. So which icon we want, so I can put a custom icon, and I can use that. So I can use some, okay, so I'll use this one. Okay, this is not good resolution, 100 pixels. Okay, this is 512. Okay, this is clear. So now I can use this, so my icon will be coming up, and then I'll say next, and then final it's done. So now I click on create. So now it will create my app. So all the inputs I've already given, so now it will automatically be done over here, and I can use this. So now we can see over here digital marketing blogs. So this is already created. So then it will ask us that whether this is published or not. So if you already have a Play Store account, then you don't need to use it from here. I can upload it from my account, but this is for the people who do not know how to do that. Then they can use from here also, and they will assist us for this. So this is what we can do over here, and we keep on getting some points for just clicking on some buttons and checking out some features and all those things. So that's fine, so that is fine. So now my app is created, and I can just download and use that app, and I can install and use it. But before that, we can do some additional things that we want. So I can just click on edit over here, and after editing, so over here these all basic things we have already done, and these are the tabs that we have used. So digital marketing blogs is the main thing. Say over here this Facebook page I have added. Blog, I'll just check the blog, what is this blog added over here. So okay, so this is the feed, so that's fine, so that is okay. And this is map we have added, and WhatsApp number we have added. So this is, and later on if you want to add something more, I can just use this. And then I go to advanced tab, and over here I can add some screenshots if I want, but that I can upload it on Play Store and not over here. And then apps menu slider we have selected. Then whether this app is private, no, I want people to see this app. And then permission, so write files to external storage. If this facility is available in the phone, then it can be done, but today's phone memory is so high that we don't require an external storage. So the phone which I just bought, it has a facility of memory card, but if you want to use two sims, then I cannot use memory card. But yes, I have 128 GB, so memory card is not required. But the phones which are still old and people are still using it, they have this facility to use it on external storage, that can be done. And then over here rate my app, so I can use this feature as I can activate this. So people will get a notification to rate our app, so they can rate our app in Play Store, that can be done. So this is refresh, so that also we can use. So when people will just scroll push from top to down, it will refresh the screen, that we can use. Show settings button, that we don't want. And if we are not uploading on Play Store, then I can just use this URL to send it to people, and I can use. And this action when loading a file, so always download the file, always open the file, show dialogues for user to decide. Okay, that's fine. Show list of downloads, so no. Keep cookies, yes, we can use. So if we are using login feature, so it will auto login automatically, it will keep the cookies. Then prevent app to going to sleep, so if it is a game, then the screen has always to be on. So this is just an app, so if we keep it on, people's screen will always be on. And if they forget, if they just keep the phone and move away somewhere, then it might drain their battery, because the phone screen will still be on, so we don't want that. So we keep it no. Enable URL interception, no. Show advertising dialog, no. Enable URL entry, never. Screen orientation, we can keep it default, so it will change vertical and horizontal according to the whatever mode we are using. It will automatically do it. And this is what I wanted to change. So this is the actual URL of our app. So over here it is creating this type of package name. So package name is something, the name of our URL. So like say if it is a website, then I will say that helpopedia.com is my URL. But if we talk about the Play Store, say like play.google.com, and I open any of the app, say like I open my app. So over here I go to this digital marketing over here, and you can see this com.hitesh_chhatralia.digital marketing. This is the URL. So this URL will be common for all the millions and billions of apps which are there on the Play Store. So this will be common. Only this defines our URL of the app. So this is what I want to update. So I don't want to display my name over here. So this is by mistake, I did it and I forgot to change this. So now this is permanent, so I cannot change it now. So to avoid that mistake, I can use something. So I can use .com or .org. So this is .com, and then I can use digital blogs dot app. So turn inactivity on. So inactivity on is something like if a person is not using our app for many days, so maybe 5-6 days or 7 days or 10 days has passed, so we want that person to remind that you have installed this app and we are missing you, something like that. So I can just use we are missing you at digital marketing blogs, or else I can just say that we are missing you at Helpopedia, and I can say check out the latest blogs posted this week. So once they click on this, automatically our app will open. So this message will be sent over here. We can keep it 7 days or whatever days we want, say after 10 days. So every 10 days it will send a notification. If I keep lesser number of days, then that person will get annoyed and they might uninstall our app. So maybe we can use 15 days also, it's fine, or 12 days is also fine. So that's fine. So maybe 2 notifications in a month is okay. So this is okay, this is done. And if I want to embed some script over here, some JavaScript or HTML, then I can do that, but that I don't want. So this is okay. So this is done, and now I can click on submit. So this is what I wanted to do. So this editing is done. And now if I want to monetize my app, so I want to make money from my app, so we have 3 options over here: Apodil, Google AdMob, and app next. So Google AdMob is similar to Google AdSense. So AdSense is used for website and AdMob is used for mobile devices. So AdMob is basically advertising on mobile, so AdMob, and AdSense is for website. So I can use this, but the only criteria is first we need to publish our app on Google Play Store. After that only, so once it is uploaded on Play Store, they will take 3-4 days time to check, and then they will approve our app, and then our app will be published, and then we can come over here and then we can add our publisher ID over here. So publisher ID is something we get when we add the app in Play Store, so that we can generate. So these 2 of them has this criteria. They have removed one of the best this monetization from here, that was from Facebook. So we were able to use Facebook ads also, but I don't know why they have removed. So they were paying very good, they are paying more even than Google. And then this is the third one, app next. So app next is nothing but I just need to monetize an app. On app next you need to have a green app add dot text status, so check below. So I need to just download and file and embed it in the app. But now since this app we are creating over here, I don't need to do anything. I just need to say go to this website and register an account, create an app, and then I just need to use the URL, and that I need to do it in the Play Store, so this will get connected, that's it. But over here I can just use this. So once this is done, then the ads will start coming up in my app. So let me just show you one of the app. Okay, by mistake I think I have deleted that app. Okay, okay, yes, this app is there on Play Store. Let me see if it comes up. So yes, now this is not telling that upload to Play Store, because this app is already there on Play Store. So if I click on Helpopedia EduTech, so over here you will find other app also. So this is one app, and this is Digital Work Zone that I'm talking about. So that app is over here, Digital Work Zone, and over here it says insert app dash text. Over here, to monetize an app on Apple or Google AdMob, I need to monetize, and AdMob needs to have a green app ad status, check below. So what I need to do is I'll say that I don't have a website, or I have a website. So if I have a website, then this is the ad.text. I need to upload it on my website. So I can just click on this, check this status. So long time back I had uploaded it. Your text file doesn't exist and doesn't contain all the ad features. Okay, fine. So what I can do is copy all this, and if I say that I don't have it, then I can just okay, then I need to add the URL into this. So I can just say I have a website over here, and then I can use it. I have a website, so this all I need to copy. So all IDs were copied to your clipboard. So again, let me make sure. Okay, so this all is copied, and now I can just paste this in a notepad. I don't think they have a download option. uh, okay, so what I need to do is I just need to go to the website. Okay, okay, so I just wanted to know on which server this website is hosted, so I can log in over there. it's logged in over here, so I can just go to digital work zone, and I just need to paste it over here. Over here at that text is already there, so let me just see what this file is. Okay, and the latest one is this. Okay, so what I can do is I can save this file as app dash ads dot text. So this is the name that I need to save this file, so I'll save this, save as this, and I'll save it on desktop, and click on save, and now I need to upload this file. So okay, over here I need to do that. So app dash ads dot text is already available, but no problem, we will replace it. Overwrite. Okay, so this is done, and now I can just check this. I can click check app ID, so this will take time to check this. You can app ad exist and contains all the ads, so it says that this file exists and contains all the ads identifiers from the instructions above, but doesn't contain your own ad IDs. Your custom advertisement is disabled, so that's fine. Okay, so now it is activated, so now I can say enable ads and save. So this is done, and now the ads will start coming up in the app, so that might take some time. So this is how it comes up, and I'll say ad timer. So every 120 seconds I will be making money. I want to make every 30 seconds. So every 30 seconds the this will refresh. So this is unlock this feature by purchasing the premium plan, so that's fine, so that's not required over here. So it is activated after every 30 seconds. Over here it's done. So like this we can do the monetization also, and after that I can download this. So I'll just download this, and over here there is a option over here. This is already uploaded, so we can see the Play Store over here, so that can be done. But for the app which we just created, this is digital marketing blogs, so we have to download this file. So we'll download this app. So what we will be doing is that we will be downloading this app. So if we don't have if we want to install, and if our app is not uploaded in Play Store, then we can share this URL or this QR code so people can download this app. So this we can do. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it from this, so I can download it. So I can use this APK Android file, and this file goes AAP bundle. This app bundle file will go into Play Store, but for testing purpose into the installation of our mobile device, I can use this Android package over here, APK. I'll use this, it will download. So now let's see, let me just see if I have I don't have the software. That will take a lot of time, but fine. That program will allow us to view the app on the desktop, so I can install BlueStacks over here. So this is the file over here. So our file is downloaded, and we can install it, but for that I need to install a software. Download BlueStacks. Download BlueStacks. Okay, so it is downloaded and now it will install. So this is the software which you can install in your PC, and this will create an Android environment in your laptop or PC. uh, so you will have a Play Store in your PC also, so you can log in with the same ID or another ID, and you can use WhatsApp and everything from your laptop or desktop. You can use it, and you can install whichever apps you want to use in your from your PC, so that also you can do. So that is what this software is. So we can test and use Android over here. So maybe some of the things like applications, we want to use it over here, then we can use that from the laptop. So that all things are there. Okay, so now it is downloading. 575 MB. Okay, it's downloading the file. Okay, after that it will install. So of course that is available for Mac OS also, so Mac and Windows both are available. So this you can install, and you can test the app, and you can create various apps. Okay, so fine. So till that time, maybe over here you can just try something else also. You can just create anything else also. We have seen this, and I want to create a map, so I can use this, create a map. So next, embedded HTML. So again I need that file from the map. Okay, okay, share and embed and copy HTML, and that I can use it. Next, app name. App, custom app. That's it. So now this is done, and now we can download that also. So I mean it just takes some time to create this. So we can create multiple apps over here. I can even create a store with Shopify. So if we have a Shopify account, then I can use that also over here. Then HTML also, PDF also. There are various things I can use. Of course there were many of them, but all the games and everything is removed now. Previously they had lot of them, but still it's okay. We can use VPN premium. Create your own VPN app to provide secure VPN access from any country. So let's create a VPN app. So ads and premium subscriptions. Okay, color, we can decide whatever color we want, and yeah, whatever looks good we can use. And over here, background image, we need a background image which is 1080 by this over here. And advanced settings, privacy policy, URL. Okay, so this is required, so I can just use something. Okay, so app name, so this is VPN, so I'll use VPN Premium. And then the app, so right now I'm using the same app only, the same icon, so we can create a separate for every app, and then we can use it, create this. Over here we can even preview this, so over here we can see, and that's it, and then we can download it. So this is how it just takes some time to create. So like this, there are various apps are there. You want to customize and create, then there are other websites also where you can create. From here also you can create an app for custom HTML, and all those things are there. Plus from the pages options also, you can create your own pages are there, so that all things can be done. So like this, there are various websites, we can just try it out, and we can use. So there is one more drag and drop option available. It's app invent. Yes. So installing app inventor, installation. Okay. So this is also there, create apps. So this is also absolutely free of cost. This is a drag and drop option, so you can just create a new project, give a name of the project. So here we can see all these things. Okay, this was the app which I had created previously, so name something. Okay, and then over here screen, then add screen. So you can add multiple screens over here. So this is the first screen. So on the first screen, what are the things that you want? So on the left hand side you have lots of options. So this is something like we require some skills to create this. Maybe we can add some image, and then we can drag a button and log in and all those things that we want, or maybe images we can use. So with this, yes, we can create a lot of things. We can provide the links and everything, so we can add products. And then if I want, if this is only the home screen, or say this is only the splash screens when a person will open the app, and then after that we can just add another screen. So this will be screen name. So I can just say that okay, this is the home page, so this will be home, and then I can switch to any screen, and then I can add anything on those pages. So over here we can see home screen has come up, so I can add another, so which can be like about us. Screen names can contain only letters. Okay, fine. So like this we can have multiple pages, multiple screens and everything. So this is home, about us. Over here we can see this, and this screen we can have it as a splash screen. So like this we can use whatever we want. So whichever screen we want to edit, we can just select that screen, and over here we can edit that, and then remove screen, publish, and all those things are there that we can select. And then we can have something, say okay, screen 1 is the splash screen and I want image. So I'll just drag the image thing over here, and I'll select this image, and then over here I can say upload the image media file. I can just upload, and I can choose the file from my PC, and I can use, so say maybe I want this as a splash screen. Over here say okay, so that image will come up over here. Okay, so like this we can use it, screen 1 images, and if we want we can have alternative text also. Then whether it is clickable, okay, then height, automatic width, automatic. So instead of that we can say fill parent, and over here also I can say fill parent. So that is border to border, whatever is the edge of the size of the screen, it will automatically detect. And then picture, I can select splash screen, and I can use this. Okay, so now this is coming up. So like this we can use it. Over here I can just select the size, tablet size, monitor size, and whatever size I want, phone size. So like this I can have over here. So over here I can have even pixels also, or I can have automatic also. So this automatic is not coming up properly. So okay, so it is coming up like this. So maybe we just need to adjust it. So that was the reason I selected fill parent, so it will do everything automated. So now it is coming up automated. So and then I can add, so this will be a splash screen. Over here I want to add some text or something like that, I can use it. And then I can add a button over here. So that button I can add it wherever I want. I want it in the center, so that all things, height, font, disable, say that all these all fonts will be coming up. And like this I can just say I can just use continue. So then it will come up, and text alignment center. So like this I can use text color. I want to change, I can change the text color. So like this I can use, and this I can link it to some URL over here. So this button I want to link it to some URL. So we just need to work out something, we just need to know how does this work. So I've just created a simple one only. So That is the reason it even takes me time to see everything. So you require a lot of time to do some research over here and see what are the options available. Of course they have a lot of things. See, various sensors are available: accelerometer, barcode scanner, barometer, clock, gyroscope, hygrometer. So if you want to develop a professional app also with using all these sensors also, then also you can use. So like if you want to create an app for a speedometer, so that type of app also you can create, and this is absolutely free of cost, and we can use as many apps we want over here. The only thing is that it will just take time to understand how the things work over here, and we can use all these things, and keep on adding it and then publish to gallery and all these things. So of course there might be videos available for this that we can use. uh, Languages are there, settings are there, and build. So build is something when we are finally ready to build the app. So first I need to click on the build, and then it will be created. This is to connect. I can create various projects, start a new project, or I can even export and import the projects over here. So like this there are various options available, so you can just still try. But I feel that this app geyser is one of the best thing. All my apps are created in this only, and yeah, these both apps are also created in this only. So like that I can use this. So I believe this is installed. Okay, you can launch from here. Okay, so fine. So this is homes, and over here we can see search in Play Store. So we can search in the Play Store also, and game changer, my game settings, so preferences and all these things. I don't require this. Okay, starting BlueStacks. Okay, so now it will allow me to check the file which we have downloaded, so we can install the file. So this is the, where is the file? Digital marketing blogs.apk. Yes, this file we need to install. Okay, so now this is the dashboard. So like our home page, this is the dashboard over here. So now what I can do is I can just go to, I can just drag this file to this, and I can paste it over here. Automatically it will start to install, and once it installs icon will appear. And the other option is I can use from here also. I can click on the button install apk, and then I can upload, select the file from my PC, and then I can use it. So other option is drag and drop. Over here we can see install, it is installing the app. So once it is installed, we can click on it and we can see. And you have a Play Store, so you can just configure it with any of the email address, and you can use it. So it's same like you are configuring a new Android device. So like that we have a lot of options over here. So it's checking and all those things. So I can just go to home, and let's see. Okay, it is still installing, so it might take some time. Till that time maybe I can even download the other one that we created. So this is VPN, so I can just click on download. And yes, over here since all the resources are being used, I hope you are able to see my screen. Okay,
Yes.
because this takes up all the resources of the system. Your CPU usage will be at 100%. Okay.
It has come.
Yeah, so now the app is installed, and now I can just click on this, and I can open it. And this is the slider menu that we had added. So from here Facebook and everything is coming up, the map is coming up, WhatsApp is coming up, so all these things are already there. So we are looking at our blog. So let us see. So okay, so I'm saving this also, VPN also. Okay, so where did this go? Okay, I need to see it again. Okay, I think it shut down automatically. Okay, I can even change the orientation of the screen. I can make it portrait also, so automatically website will be adjusted to portrait. Okay, so I think there is some problem with this. uh, okay, this is already installed. Okay, so it's taking time and resources, so maybe I am using this latest one. So the previous one was good enough. I should have downloaded that only. mm, Anyways, you can just install this BlueStacks and you can just try it
Yes.
out. It will just look like a website if I'm using it on that BlueStacks on a horizontal mode, and if I'm using portrait mode, then I can use it like I'm seeing it in a mobile screen vertically. So everything will be responsive because the URL is taken from the website itself, so everything will be looking the same. So that is not the problem. So you can just try it out. It's very easy to use, and we can create various types of apps. You can use that app inventor also, that I had shown you,
Mm.
and you can use this. So today is Friday. By Sunday I will be completing uploading all the lectures, and you will have access to the remaining lectures
Okay.
that are not uploaded yet. And then you can revise everything, then you practice everything, and after that, once you have enough doubts, you can just note it down, and then we will again take a refresher session. So in between also, of course.
Okay, can I have one session
Yeah.
with you? You take me through creating one ad on
Yes,
Facebook.
yes, absolutely, we can do that, not a problem. So we.
So I'll create some what you call
Hmm.
creatives, and then maybe I'll fix a time with you. Then we can do one ad actually.
So you can create one creative, and what we will do is, instead of me sharing the screen, this time you share the screen and
Hmm.
you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
that way.
correct. I'll share the
Right.
screen to you, and then you can
Yes,
keep
yes,
guiding me actually on that.
we will take that up.
Yeah.
So Fine. So we will have our next lecture usually what as we are taking. So that would be on Wednesday. Fine, not a problem.
Yeah,
Yes.
Wednesday we can
All
do.
right, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good night.